Hey guys, it's Gus, and today we're going to be opening up the Arrma Typhon, the TLR tuned ready to run version. I was going to get the Brawler, but I ended up with this one because it wasn't in stock. And even though I do like this color better on this one. So let's get cracking into her here. Nothing in there. Our instruction manual with some batteries for the remote. Some plastic pieces, I'm not sure what those are for. And we got the, these are for adjusting our arms. We got different locations to adjust the toe in on our rear arms and front arms. Sticker in there. And we got a SLT3 remote. So I'm hoping this battery will fit. I have a feeling it's going to be too big, but I'm hoping it will for when I want to run on 6S. I know all my 4S will fit, but I do have a 6000 6S, but it does not have a the right connector on it, so I'd have to swap that out. So you can see here we can tune by changing these plastic pieces out. Bring your arms in and out, up and down. Has the same thing on the bottom, so you can change those, and on the back to allow for your toe in on the back. Tires feel real nice. And of course these are 7075. Forgot to grab it, but I want to check the shock tower because I'm pretty sure the geometry is different. I've had some people say that the geometry is exactly the same besides the adjustability, but I believe that the geometry is also different. And it's got the 2050 and then the 150 amp ESC, which I'll use for now. I am planning on censored system eventually. I also did pick up a set of Badlands for it as well, especially for playing around in the wintertime. Shocks feel fantastic. This thing should handle really good. Well, let's see if this battery will fit in here. I'm sure the battery will fit. It's just if it fits with the body on will be the test. Where's in the way here? think it's going to be close. Like she does. Just barely touch on the front. What I might do is take this piece off and then run it without that. I think it should be fine because it's a single 6S, and then I'm going to guarantee it'll fit in there. Try that once and see. The front sits down now. She does just barely touch a little bit in the back. That's not too bad. I think I can get away with that. So it's not perfect. Let's see where we're rubbing here. I'll put some tape on there so it doesn't rub through the body, but I think we'll be all right. So yeah, that one is just a touch on the big side. So this is the Arrma 320576, which is the EXB Typhon shock tower. And as you can see, it's completely different. Like, these are set to run the shocks further apart. Also run them a little higher. The back one I don't have, but I can guarantee you these are also set to run these shocks a little bit more straight up and down. So you get a smoother action out of them. Looks like the standard wing mount, I do have a low pro, which I may put that on there. I do like the low pro wings a little better. Yeah, she looks pretty great. What do we got for the servo? The 659, 652. And that is an aluminum mount. Oh, it's got the nice guards on the back, which is nice. Yeah, everything looks pretty slick. Oh, I can't wait to get this out and try it. You can tell she's just going to handle great. And then if it doesn't, I got all them tuning blocks there to tune her up and get her how I want her set up. And it does have tuning guides. So if you're kind of unfamiliar with how to do it, you can actually go and they have guides on how to set it up online. They got QR codes. You just scan it, takes you right there. All right, well, I think that's all we're going to do for this part. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.